Boy, she's quite dusty in there. So I had to drive the two pins out from the back side with a punch, and apparently get us over the spring retainer. Let's see if I can. Yep. And we'll clean that up. Oh, there's a little, like a spring retainer right there. Okay. That wasn't too bad once you know how to do it the right way. Over there like that. This goes over the center pin. Still a lot of meat left on them, but signs of the never sees. Copper type. Appear to be worn pretty even. Okay, well, for the last 20 minutes, I've been, if you can see them, cleaning the holes in the rotor with some sandpaper. I've only got a couple left here, and this was a pretty important thing to do, to clean any rust or debris out of the holes in the rotor. So being we're putting new pads on, I don't want to contaminate the new material in the pads, so got some kicking music going here, thanks to YouTube library. Said it was supposed to be jazz. I guess it probably is. Okay. Wipe. That's much better. Still a lot of, it's like old brake dust. Probably next season I'm going to completely rebuild this caliper anyways. So yeah, I'll just shine it up a little bit here. The new pads are organic Lucas pads from Germany. Only the finest. I wonder how much. Doesn't look like I'm really gonna have to. No, I might have to. Let's see if they fit now. No, I'm gonna have to retract those pistons. Just a hair. I just used my old brake pads. I just put one in the outer side of the caliper and just squeezed with my hands. I wasn't even concerned about taking the lid off the reservoir, so just a hair. So. And this is going to prove to be a little more stubborn. Well, I guess we'll do the same. Old pad back. Push. Which is a good feeling because we know they're not hung up. Too far. Yep. All right. Go in with the top spring. And persuade that in a hair. Okay. Center pin. And the lower pin. It's almost like as soon as you get it started, that should be it. Okay. It was my first brake job on the 83 R65. Same.